Okay, so let's work this one out then. We are in, again, a little bit more of an open area. I don't know if you can tell because I'm kind of under it, but these trees are not very old. There's a lot of birch in this section. And behind me is... Ooh. Sweet chestnut. I'm pausing before I say the names so that you've all got time to work it out for yourselves. Okay, but what we have here is a decent size. Now I'm using the words toadstool and mushroom interchangeably because they're interchangeable. So if you look at this, another thing that's quite important, and it can be difficult after rain, is texture. This has got a dry cap and it's kind of, it's almost like a very, very fine velvet, okay? And if you look closely, you can see that the very top layer is cracked and there's almost like a pinkish blush to the flesh underneath. So if we look round the side, you can see has a nice stipe. I'm just going to dig out my knife, try and get my finger out of the thing. I could have done with a little stand for this, but never mind. We hold that with this hand. Brilliant camera work, I'm sure you'll agree. Get underneath and lift. Okay. So this one is quite an interesting one. See, it's got this lovely red marking on the stipe. It's growing straight out of the litter there. You can see this beautiful, rich leaf litter. If you look, there's little white veins going all through it, and that's going to be lots and lots of different fungal species. But look underneath. So those are called pores. Do the same function. The basidia inside the spores, inside the pores, produce spores which then drop. They fall out of the spores and the wind carries them away. And if you can see, something other than me has been poking it, and there are sort of these bluish little bruises, and that's often an important diagnostic sign as well. So we've got the reddish stipe, the fact it's got pores, that cracking top, and the blue staining or bruising underneath. Okay, nice one.